Have you ever pondered over the mysteries that unfold within your brain and eyes as you drift into the realm of sleep? As the world around you fades and your consciousness slips into a peaceful oblivion, a fascinating spectacle of biological processes commences within your body. To understand the complexity of these processes, we first need to unravel the intricacies of the sleep cycle. It consists of 4 stages: the initial light sleep, followed by a deeper sleep, then a very deep sleep, and finally, the rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. As you transition from wakefulness to sleep, your brain shifts gears. During the initial stages of light sleep, your brain starts to slow down, producing slower and larger brain waves known as theta waves. This is your brain's way of saying, it's time to rest, rejuvenate, and restore. As you enter deeper stages of sleep, your brain waves become even slower, producing what is known as delta waves. This is when some serious restoration work begins. The brain clears out waste products, repairs cells, and strengthens the immune system. It's like your brain's personal overnight maintenance crew, ensuring everything is in tip-top shape for the next day. Then comes the fascinating stage of REM sleep. This is when your brain becomes highly active, almost as if you were awake. This is the stage where most of your dreaming occurs. Your brain is busy processing and consolidating memories, emotions, and information from the day. It's like the brain's filing system, sorting through the day's experiences and storing them for future reference. Meanwhile, your eyes, though closed, are also playing an active role in your sleep. During REM sleep, they dart back and forth rapidly under your eyelids, hence the name rapid eye movement sleep. This eye movement is believed to correspond with the visual imagery of dreams. While the exact purpose of this movement remains a subject of ongoing research, it is thought to be linked with memory consolidation and learning. As you wake up, your brain and eyes have completed a night of diligent work, readying you for the challenges of a new day. They've cleared out the clutter, processed new information, and repaired any wear and tear, all while you are blissfully unaware, dreaming in your peaceful slumber. In conclusion, sleep isn't merely a state of rest for your brain and eyes. It's a time of intense activity, repair, and rejuvenation. Your brain uses this time to clear out waste, consolidate memories, and restore itself, while your eyes potentially aid in the process of memory consolidation during REM sleep. So the next time you drift off to sleep, remember it's not just lights out. It's the beginning of a fascinating biological performance that plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being.